Electrolux Rechargeable Fabric Shaver Review. Is it worth buying? If your sweaters, hoodies, blankets, or furniture are covered in lint, fuzz, or fabric pills, the Electrolux Rechargeable Fabric Shaver might be exactly what you need. After using it, I can say this is one of the most convenient and effective fabric care tools I've tried. The first thing that stands out is the adjustable 3-speed precision system. Unlike basic lint removers that only have one setting, this one lets you choose between 3 speed levels. The low setting works well on delicate fabrics like wool and knitwear, while the medium and high settings easily remove stubborn pilling from thicker garments, coats, blankets, and even upholstery. It gives you much better control and helps protect your clothes from damage. Another feature I really like is the 2000 mAh rechargeable battery. On a full charge, it provides up to 180 minutes of runtime, which is impressive. You can refresh multiple sweaters, jackets, cushions, and blankets without constantly stopping to recharge. The Type-C fast charging port is also a huge advantage because it charges quickly and uses the same cable that many phones and modern devices use. The LED display makes this fabric shaver feel much more premium. It clearly shows the battery level, speed setting, and charging status, so you always know how much power is left and which mode you're using. That small detail makes the overall experience much more convenient. In terms of performance, it removes fuzz, lint, and fabric pills efficiently without snagging or damaging the material. I tested it on sweaters, hoodies, and a fabric sofa, and it noticeably improved the appearance of each item. Clothes that looked old and worn suddenly looked much cleaner and fresher. The accessories are another plus. Inside the box you get an extra replacement blade, a cleaning brush, a protective cover, and a stylish reusable storage box. The storage box keeps everything organized and also makes this a great gift for anyone who enjoys keeping their wardrobe and home looking neat. The build quality feels solid and durable, which is what I expect from Electrolux. It doesn't feel cheap or flimsy, and the blades are designed for long-lasting performance. Overall, I think the Electrolux Rechargeable Fabric Shaver is an excellent investment if you want to extend the life of your clothes and furniture. The adjustable speeds, long battery life, LED display, and complete accessory kit make it a standout option in the fabric shaver category. If you're looking for a powerful rechargeable lint remover for clothes, sweaters, blankets, and upholstery, I definitely recommend checking this one out.